Aloha everyone. In this video, I'm going to take you on a full tour of an incredibly special property on Maui that's been affectionately titled Nanea Kai. The property is located at 860 South Kihei Road. It sits on one of Maui's longest stretches of white sandy beach, and I'm very excited to introduce this beautiful, modern beachfront home as our newest listing. Let's go take a look. We're going to start the tour from the outside pool and spa area, which is facing towards the ocean. As I spin the camera around, you'll see there's a large green space leading up to the beach and ocean. There is a path that leads directly from the house to the beach, as you can see here. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'll take you down that path and we'll go take a closer look at the beach. Notice there is an outdoor shower, and the hot tub does have a waterfall that cascades into the pool. Without a doubt, this pool area is one of the highlights of the house. It provides a quiet, peaceful, and private, almost retreat-like environment. We're going to head into the house, starting with the living room and dining room area. Just take a look at those beautiful light fixtures and high ceilings. It's actually 14-foot recessed ceilings with plenty of space for entertaining, and a beautiful 10-seat dining room table. Continuing on with the tour as we head towards the massive gourmet kitchen. The appliances are Thermador stainless steel, and the countertops are a leatherized quartzite marble. Down this hallway, you're going to find one of the laundry rooms. So there's actually two sets of washer and dryers in this main house. The other one is going to be up in the primary bedroom. And we didn't see it on the way in, but there's the microwave. And notice there is a separate wine and beverage refrigerator as well. The view from the kitchen, living room, and dining room areas is absolutely stunning. And yes, you can see the ocean from this ground level. Next, we're going to take this beautiful floating staircase up to the second level. Now, this home includes a total of 5 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms, with 4 bedrooms, including the primary bedroom, and 4 bathrooms, all en suite, on the second level. First level does include 1 extra bedroom and 1.5 baths, and there's also an Ohana above the garage that's detached that we'll show you as well. I think that the landing area here on the second level is absolutely gorgeous. This house has so many unique features, it's really hard to cover it all in just one video. We're going to start with one of the guest bedrooms at the back of the house, and then we're going to work our way towards the primary later in the video. Again, each bedroom does have its own ensuite private bathroom. You see, this one has a single vanity and a stand-up glass shower. And just look at how high the ceilings are, even in the guest bathroom. Okay, so let's head to the next bedroom and bathroom. This room does have its own private lanai, and all of the guest bedrooms have beautiful architectural wooden beams on the ceiling. Let's take a quick look at the attached bathroom. Notice that this side room does have a nice ocean view from both inside the room, but especially from the lanai. On to the next bedroom, and this one is a beauty. It is a direct oceanfront second bedroom. We'll come back and take a look at the view a little bit closer, but first let's check out the bathroom. And even the shower has this gorgeous ocean view above the privacy glass. By the way, most of the artwork and decor is included in the sale, making this truly a turnkey and ready to move in property. As you can see, this guest bedroom has direct access to a shared lanai with expansive, unobstructed ocean views and views of the West Maui Mountains. The lanai area also overlooks the pool and spa area. And there you can see the path leading to the beach. Heading back into the house from the lanai, this time we're going to go into the massive primary bedroom. And as you can see, this bedroom does extend the entire length of the house. By the way, the flooring that you see throughout the house is a custom scraped French oak wood floor. And the cabinets you see throughout the house are made of solid white oak. Just a few of the top line materials used to perfect this modern estate. I really love the unique lighting that's well designed throughout the entire house, even in this massive walk-in closet. The primary bathroom features a soaking tub, dual vanities, plenty of cabinet space, and a large shower with 2 separate shower heads. Of course, there is a separate toilet room for privacy. An added bonus, the bathroom actually has access to its own private lanai facing towards the back of the house. From here, you get a second floor level view of the courtyard, the grand entrance, the garage, and above the garage, you're looking at the detached ohana now. Of course, everyone wants to know what the listing price is for an estate like this. And this property is listed for $8.75 million. I'll provide a link in the description down below to the listing details, which will have a ton of more information and a bunch of photos on this particular property. Okay, we're going to head back downstairs to take a look at the ground floor bedroom, bathroom, and powder room. And from there, we'll head outside to the courtyard, take a look at the garage and the ohana that is above the garage. As I come down the stairs and spin around the corner, we're going to be facing towards the front door, the main entrance of the home. And just take a look at this grand entrance. This is the hallway that greets you every time you enter the house. This hallway also includes a powder room, tastefully decorated and designed. Before we head outside to check out the stone columns that lead to the entrance, we do have one more bedroom and bathroom to take a look at here on the ground level. You'll see that this bathroom does include a tub along with a shower and single vanity. Next, we're going to head out towards the interior courtyard. We'll take a look at these beautiful stone columns that lead up to the grand entrance. You'll see that the driveway does have ample room for at least 3 cars, as well as a 2-car garage. And above the garage is the detached Ohana. Let's go take a look at the Ohana now. So the Ohana is 400 square foot, but it feels much larger. It's very thoughtfully and tastefully designed. It does have basically a full kitchen. Look at all the glass windows and doors in this bedroom area, which provides a ton of natural light. And you'll see there's even a little bit of an ocean view from this angle. Let's go take a look at the attached bathroom. You might have missed it on the way in, but the Ohana does have a private lanai. And there's a pretty decent slice of ocean view from the lanai, as you can see here. So earlier in the video, I had promised a tour of the walking path to the beach in front of the house. And in this clip, I'm going to fly my drone down that path. It only takes about 1.5 minutes to walk, but we'll get there a little bit quicker with the drone, and this gives us a nice bird's eye perspective of exactly how long this beach is and how far it stretches down the coastline. To give you some perspective on location, we're now facing south towards Wailea and McKenna, and I'll continue to rotate the camera, eventually looking back towards the house. You can see the path leading to the house there. And now spinning into the northerly direction. So that concludes our quick tour of this spectacular beachfront house at Nanea Kai. Thanks so much for making it all the way to the end. If you have any questions, not only about this property, but about any Maui real estate in general, feel free to reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to assist you along your journey. Until we see you in the next video, aloha.